Today on Awesome DIY, we're going to work on some welding on some floorboards on a 54 Chevy 4-door. Alright, let's check it out.
Just off. That blizzard and all your crew disappearing forever.
They're buried under the snow.
Fortunately, it was just a circle. Circle.
Alright guys, so here it is. 54 Chevy 4-door. This is the floorboard on the passenger side. It's sheet metal we're gonna weld in, MIG weld it. See, I cut it out. Try to get as much as I could out without cutting into the frame. As you can see right there, there's a little bit of a section right here I'm gonna try to attempt as well. Then let's go to the driver's side. Alright, so the driver's side. Here it is. Got a section right here that I'm gonna have a little bit of trouble with. Cut it a little too short. The plasma cutter. Look at all these wonderful booger welds. That's what happens when you're learning how to weld for the first time. But thank you, Manny, for letting me attempt to mess it up. This is what happens when you don't take out the seat and do things properly. That's what happens right there. Oh, can't get it right here. Let me see. Oh, yeah. I don't know if you guys can see that as well. Burnt straight through. Once beautiful interior. Sorry, Manny. So here it is, the finished product. Hold on real quick. Let me just add one more spot. That's right. Straight booger welds all day. Yeah, I didn't say I was a professional. I said I could do it all myself as best I can. Plus, all this stuff's gonna get covered up by carpet. This wonderful green carpet right here, so who cares, right? As long as it performs, does its duty, keeps water from coming in, keeps your feet from falling through the floor, pulling windstone, so. All right, guys.
Circle.